Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to come up with this amazing vitamin E facial serum that will help you to boost collagen, get rid of those spots and blemishes, and give you that flawless skin. If you want to learn how I come up with this amazing serum, then keep watching. The first ingredient that we're going to be needing is tangerine peel. Okay, I have one tangerine over here. I just finished washing this tangerine with vinegar and water to get rid of the bacteria from the skin, because we're going to be needing zest. Okay, so after that I'll be grating out the zest of the tangerine. Tangerine zest contains high amounts of vitamin C, and vitamin C has been shown to play a vital role in how your body makes collagen, and collagen is what makes our skin appear youthful. It also contains vitamin E as well as antioxidants and zinc, which are ideal for acne prone or oily skin types. Okay, it also contains enzyme which will help to remove dead skin cells. Tangerine zest also help to brighten and smooth the skin, and also prevent and treat acne. Okay, it helps to treat acne. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is basil. I'll be using dry basil for this recipe. Basil powerful oil helps to cleanse the skin from within. The excellent skin cleanser is perfect for those with oily skin. So if you are battling with oily skin, basil is very good for you. It contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property, which will help to prevent acne. It also helps to remove dirt on the skin and also unclog the pores. It's very good to treat acne and also fade away acne spots. It will help to calm those swollenness on the skin and soothe your skin. I will be using 2 teaspoons of basil, dried basil, for this recipe. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be brewing the basil and also the tangerine peel. I'll be using a teaspoon of tangerine peel, tangerine zest for this recipe. Okay, we're gonna be adding it to the 2 teaspoons of basil in a cup, and we're gonna be adding hot water to it. Okay, we'll be adding hot water, not much, just a little hot water, to brew this 2 ingredients together for up to 10 minutes. Okay, we're gonna keep that aside and allow it to brew for up to 10 minutes, and we'll come back and check it out. So guys, after 10 minutes, we're going to be needing a mixing bowl and also a strainer to strain out the water. As you can see, the tangerine peel and also the basil have infused all its ingredients in the water. As you can see, the color of the water has changed. So we're going to be straining that out, and then we'll be incorporating the rest ingredients. So after straining, this is how the color of the water is looking like. It's looking so attractive. So keep that aside, and we'll be incorporating the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is rose water. We're going to be needing 3 teaspoons of rose water. Rose water helps to balance the skin oil. It helps to reduce the look of temporary redness on the skin. It hydrates your skin. It contains antioxidant property that will nourish and protect your skin. It also prevents fine lines and wrinkles, and also diminish the appearance of existing ones. Our next ingredient that we're going to be adding is honey. We'll be needing half a teaspoon of honey. Okay, we don't need much of the honey. Honey contains antibacterial and antiseptic property, which is very good for your skin. It helps to boost collagen and give your skin that youthful look, okay? And it helps to glow your skin. So we're gonna be mixing it together with the water. So the next ingredient we're gonna be needing is vitamin E oil. Using this vitamin E oil, it will serve as a preservative. Okay, it will serve as a preservative to help to preserve this water for a very long time. It will help to preserve it for up to 2 weeks. Okay, but if you don't have vitamin E oil, you have to store this in the refrigerator for up to at least 1 week, and thereafter you make another one. Okay, the vitamin E oil will not mix together with the water because water and oil doesn't mix together. But if you want to use it, you have to shake it. Okay, you shake it very well before using it. So after that, this is how our water is looking like. I just finished transferring it to my little container that I'll be storing it in the refrigerator. So here I am now after taking my bath. This is the water. I kept it in the refrigerator for up to 30 minutes for it to cool down a little before applying it on my skin. So what you have to do is to get a cotton pad, and then you'll be adding it to the cotton pad and apply it to your skin generously. Don't forget to apply it also on your neck and your décolleté. This facial serum will help you to brighten up your skin, get rid of acne, help you to boost collagen and give you that youthful glow. It will also help you to prevent wrinkles and fine lines and also diminish the appearance of existing ones. If you also have suntan or sunburn or those dark patches around your face, your neck and also your décolleté, this facial serum will help you to brighten it up and also give your skin a very good tone. You can also choose to apply this under your makeup. You can apply it before your facial cream. Okay, this is very good, and the advantage of this facial serum is it dries up quickly on your skin. So after applying it all over on my skin, I will be setting it up with my facial oil. If you want to learn how I come up with this facial oil, I will link it in the up icon above and also in the description box. You can check it out after this video to learn how I come up with this amazing facial oil. If you are watching to this extent and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. There are 2 videos that will pop up on the screen at the end of this video. You can click on any of the content to see what is in there. Okay, I want to appreciate all my old subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my content, and I will appreciate all your comments in the comment section below. Tell me how you feel about this content. Are you going to be trying this out, or how is the result? So guys, I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you so much. Bye.